Hi everyone, welcome back to Network Guru. If you wanted to send the same message to multiple people on WhatsApp without creating a group, that's where WhatsApp broadcast comes in. In this video, I'll show you how it works and how you can use it to community efficiently. Let's dive in. WhatsApp broadcast is a feature that lets you send a message to multiple contacts at once, without them knowing they are part of a list. Unlike groups, recipients receive the message as a private chat, and their replies come back to you directly. This makes it perfect for announcements, business updates, or sharing important info with many people at once. Here is how you can set up a broadcast list in just a few steps. Open WhatsApp app and tap plus icon in the top right corner. Then select New Broadcast and choose the contacts you want to add. And tap Create. And that's it. Your broadcast list is ready. Now any message you send to this list will be delivered individually to each recipient. Messages appear as personal chats, no group clutter. Works great for business, event updates, or personal reminders. You can create a multiple broadcast list. Recipients must have your number saved, or they won't receive the message. You can add 256 contacts per broadcast list. Replace are private, only you will see them. That's it. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.